Hello everyone, welcome back to the Real Car Coding Job series. Today, I'm working on a real Mercedes vehicle with a fuel pump control unit issue after replacement. The customer reported that the engine sometimes stalls, and there is a communication problem between the ECM and the fuel pump module. In many cases, people may think this is a hardware failure, but actually, this is often caused by incorrect or missing coding. In this video, I'll show you how to diagnose and fix this issue step by step. Before we start, these are the tools you need to prepare. Xentry Diagnostic software, DTS Monaco for advanced coding, and a compatible VCI device, such as C6 or equivalent. These tools allow full access to diagnostics, coding, and programming on Mercedes vehicles. First, we check the fault codes using Xentry. Here we can see that the ECM has lost communication with the fuel pump control unit. This type of error can affect fuel delivery and cause engine stalling. Next, we connect to the fuel pump control module and check the data. One important parameter here is the fuel supply request via CAN. As you can see, the current state is no. This clearly indicates a coding issue. To fix this, we open DTS Monaco, the software used for advanced coding and programming on Mercedes vehicles. Then we connect to the fuel pump control unit. Before coding, we need to unlock both the EZS and the fuel pump control module. If the standard unlock method does not work, you can perform the unlock through another control unit like EZS. This is a useful tip in real coding jobs. Now we load the correct coding file into the fuel pump control unit and start the coding process. This step ensures that the module is properly configured for the vehicle. Once the coding is completed, we perform a hard reset to reinitialize the system. After coding, we verify the VIN to make sure everything matches the vehicle. Then we clear all fault codes from the system. This ensures the system is fully reset. Finally, we go back to Zentry and check the system again. Now the fuel supply request via CAN is set to yes. Communication between the ECM and the fuel pump module is restored. The system is stable, and the vehicle is running normally again. So, this is a typical case where the issue is not hardware, but incorrect coding. Always check coding before replacing parts. If you need tools or software like Zentry, DTS, Monaco, or other OEM solutions, feel free to contact us via WhatsApp. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next Real Car Coding Jobs video.